Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Simply Steph, that's me. So in today's video, as you can see by the thumbnail, or you will, because I didn't make it yet, but I won a giveaway through a YouTuber by the name of Jen Larson MUA. And listen, if you guys have not checked her out, I'm going to link her channel down below. I highly recommend that you go watch this woman. She's a makeup artist that's going back to school to learn more. And she's a more mature woman like myself. And yeah, she's very, like when I watch her, she's extremely calm. She's very, once I'm done watching her, I'm extremely relaxed and I usually learn something. So I as a personal favor to me, please go check her out. Subscribe to her channel. She's just starting out, you know, and we all have to start somewhere, right? So, yeah, I mean, she does giveaways and she's just very good at what she does. She's very, I mean, you can understand her. She's very clear. She's funny. I mean, you know, she's just great. So if you guys want to see what I won in the giveaway, man, I'm also excited, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, so yes, Jen Larson MUA, I will link her channel down below. Jennifer, thank you. Actually, the name of the channel is Jennifer Larson, so I believe that's it. Anyway, I'll link it down below. And I have the package right here. It was so weird because I was like, oh gosh. So one of you guys told me about her and said go check her out. So I did, and I was like, this is cool. So I went ahead and subscribed to her channel, and she does giveaways like weekly or whatever. And what it is there's no like specific way to enter. You just comment, and I watched quite a few of her videos actually to try and like catch up, and lo and behold, I won the giveaway. It was crazy. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and go through what I got. Now, I would tell you that I did open it because I was too excited. I couldn't wait. And don't mind the look. I did film this look. I'm editing it because it took forever. But I'm going to go ahead and dump out the contents of the package. And Jen, if you're watching, thank you so much. I can't even, like, I'm super shocked. I don't usually win giveaways. I don't really enter. I mean, I enter some, you know, here and there, but I don't usually win. So there's, I do sometimes win, but it's been a while. And anyway, I'm just also grateful. And there's so many reasons why I'm grateful. I don't want to show you. Okay, so the first thing that I won is it's the Double Duty Beauty, the base tape. This is the hydrating primer. Right here from, and I actually did have this, but I believe I gave it away in a giveaway, and then I was like, oh, I should have tried it. Well, now I can because I have it. So here it is, and I'm excited because I've heard nothing but good things about this. So, and my skin, oh boy, I look so pale today. I don't know what that's about. I have tons of like, I have bronzers. I even did a little contour, but I don't know, this lighting or something, I don't know what it is. I have to try and figure it out. I always look so pale. My eyes are super like, poof, in your face. Anyway, so there's this, and I'm, like I said, I'm super excited because my skin is really dry, and I definitely need something that's hydrating. So that's awesome. Thank you so much. And then we have this. Now, this is crazy because the only thing that I see here, I've only gotten, I think, one of the things ever. And this is so cool. So we have so I never show the packaging. So here's the second. I won 5 items, which is just oh so great. Like I can't even thank you enough. This is okay. Let me hold. Okay, guys, I painted my nails and they were not all the way dry. They're like frost. It's a frost icky shadow that I don't really like, but I put it on because I thought it would go nice with my eye look. And I am not patient when it comes to painting my nails, so there might be some dents. So don't come for me. At least they're polished, right? Okay, so here we have from Ace Beauté, however you want to say it. These are the Draw It lip liners, right? And I didn't get these in my BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm hates me. I swear they do. But here are the colors. And now, you know, I don't really do reds, right? Like, I don't do reds. I may do a red on Christmas, maybe, but anything dark, like, I have a nude lip on right now. Actually, what am I wearing? Oh, I have just the Thrive Cosmetics liner and some gloss. That's it. I put this gloss because it kind of goes with the look, but that's it. Anyway, here are the shades. Now, this one I'm excited about because this is like a nude brown, almost the same color as this one, but it's not. It's different. And I am excited for that. I mean, I have a lot of lip liners, but not like in this color. They're either like got a reddish tint to them or something. Wait, which one is that? Yeah, this is, okay, let me put the top back on that. Now, this one is red. Now, this one I might use, like I said, on Christmas when I do the red lip. And yes, I am up closer because I just got done filming this look, so I have the setup all different, but I will move myself back when I go ahead and start filming boxes. But I just wanted to get up here close and personal and show you guys exactly what I want. Now, this is the liner. So I have heard nothing but good things about these liners. Now, like I said, red is really not my thing, but on Christmas, I will sport a red lip because, you know, it's the holidays and all that. So there you have that. And I'm oh so excited. And they come 2 to a pack, which is perfect. So there you have that. That's the second item. Now, the third item, this is super. I don't have anything but that one matte, ultra matte, whatever it is that dries your lips like it's, the minute you put it on and it dries, my lips feel like they're oh so wrinkled. So I don't normally use that unless I put a whole bunch of hydration down. But I find I can only wear it for a very little bit of time. And then I start getting that gunky stuff on the inner. Ugh. So I have to swipe it off. Now these are, this, oh, again with the packaging, I forget all the time. Oh my gosh. Jen, I can't thank you enough. I really, guys, it would be a personal favor to me to go over there. We're trying, and she's trying to get to 100 subscribers. And I don't know if she made it yet or not, but if she did, I have to go and check her because I haven't seen her in a couple days. I haven't watched her channel in just a few days. I think it's been 2 days. So the last time I checked, she was at like 98, I believe. But I'm trying to help her get to 100 because I really, like when I watch her, she does a little bit of everything. She does hauls, she does makeup looks, of course, because she is a makeup artist, and she has her silly joke of the day, and then she does some inspiration at the end of the video, which I find, like, I have my Y'all Need Jesus t-shirt on right here. I think that's pretty cool. But I didn't realize I had it on. Like, I reached in the closet because I was like, oh, okay, this will go with my look, you know. And then I remembered after I put it on that I had this saying, but I was like, that's so fitting. But okay, anyway, this is from ColourPop. This is the Luxe. I believe that if I'm not mistaken, isn't this Rich Luxe and ColourPop's collab? I'm not sure. But anyway, here's the packaging. It's oh so cute. I like Rich Luxe. I really do. I think this is Hazy Baby. Okay, there's the colors. And it brings it's Hazy Baby. It's Luxe Liquid Lipstick Duo. Now, I don't know. If this isn't it, then there is one. I believe he did a collab with them. I'm not sure. But congratulations to him anyway. So the 2 shades in here are Lucky Cat and Buttercup. All right. So first one we have here is, if I can see it, this is Buttercup, okay? Now, I'm not going to swatch because, you know, I don't normally swatch things here just for time's sake. But we do have this color right here. Let's see. There you go. Okay, that's the packaging. That's what it looks like. And it is it's a liquid lipstick. It's Luxe Liquid Lipstick Duo. Luxe Velvet. So I'm imagining that it would go on like a velvet. Maybe, I don't know if it's matte, but probably not. There's that shade. Let me go ahead and hold it up like that if you can see it. Now this one is a little bit darker and a more brownier color. Let me go ahead and swatch this one because I think this is probably the one that I'm gonna, yeah, I could definitely wear that. I mean, yeah, that's my color. You know, I can get away with that. It's not too dark, but it is, I can see what they mean about satin. It's very, I want to say pillowy. I don't know. It's very mousse, that's the word. but I like that. I like that a lot. It looks like it might have just a little bit of sheen to it. You see how it's reflecting off the light? But yeah, that's me, guys. You know that. That's my color. Oh, yeah. I mean, I have tons of lippies, but when do I ever say no to another one? It's terrible. But anyway, there's this color. Now, this one I'm not going to swatch. I'm going to hold off on because I don't know if this would be my shade. Now, and the reason I say that is because, look, it's like a more... It's got a little bit of a brownish red to it. But listen, giveaways, you know, I don't give anything away that I win in a giveaway. It's just, for as far as I'm concerned, this is my prize. No offense to any of my loved ones out there. You know that anytime I don't use anything, it goes in a giveaway, except when I win a giveaway, because this is just oh so grateful to have these two. So these are the two colors. Again, they're Lucky Cat, which is this one. Okay, and that's the more brownier shade. No, sorry. Yeah. This is a more deeper, brownier shade, and then this one is Buttercup, which is the one that I have right here. And I think that's really a really pretty shade. Right up my alley, like perfect. So here, those are those two. And again, I'm going to go ahead and put them back in the box. So we do have that. Okay, see right there. All right, now, one more thing, and then I'll get to the big thing that I was also, it's a story that goes with this, and I'm so excited. But anyway. This is the Laura Geller. It's the Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator Gilded Honey. Now, this is in the shade Gold. And I did have this before, but somebody wanted it in a giveaway. But since that, this was way back in the beginning of the channel, I have now learned that I will use highlighter on, even if it's not a shade that I can wear here, I will use it on my lids. So, thank you very much, and now this one is mine. Thank you, Jen. Thank you. Okay, moving on to this. Now, I didn't get this because I didn't get the premium. But I was literally, swear, no lies, no BS, right hand to God, I was literally on the swap site and on Mercari trying to see if I could get my hands on this. And this is what it is. It's the Illuminati, and I believe it came in the premium, if I'm not mistaken. It's the Illuminati X Issa, and I don't know what it's Isabella Bedoya, Bedoya. I don't know how. I'm sorry if I'm butchering the last name, but listen, guys, I wanted this palette so bad, and I'm oh so happy. I cannot wait to open it and see it. I was gonna swap with a lady, and remember I told you about the swap site, right, from MSA. And everybody is usually very nice on there. This lady was being a little bit picky. I mean, it wasn't bad or anything, but she kept changing her mind. And I was like, you know, like, please make up your mind so I can go ahead with this palette. And I didn't ask anybody else for it, like, to swap. Because her and I had a lot of things in, like I had a lot of stuff she wanted and she had stuff that I wanted. And this was one of them. But I ended up, you know, I had the swap pretty much in her ball court, and like the ball was in her court. Like I asked for something, and then she asked for something, and I sent it back to her with a revised like swap, and she didn't get back to me, and I went ahead and canceled swap because that day this came in the mail, and I was oh so excited. I ripped it open. Normally I don't do that, but I knew that I won this giveaway, and it came super fast. She ships out like right away. Like, this is crazy. I am so excited to have this. Oh my God, I'm just so excited. These colors are, I like them. I like them. I know I will get use out of this. Because I don't have a lot of pastel shades. Like, not in my collection. I do have that Maddie Ziegler, which has like one row of pastels. But look, guys. I mean, I know you've seen it in the premium, but this is the first time I'm actually looking at the shades in person, up close. I mean, I could totally see one... Of course, you know the purples, that's me for sure. All right, there's the purples. And I definitely use the browns because of the color of my eyes. That brings out the green. And then we have these pastels that I'm dying, even a green and a blue. Like, I'm not such a blue eyeshadow girl, but you know I'm going to try these shadows. You know I'm going to. So I thought maybe I could do a look with the palette, you know, in honor of her or whatever. Try and do it justice, you know. I'm not as good as her by any means, so, you know, there's that. But I will try. So, Jen, thank you so much. All of these things will get good use. I'm excited for every single thing. I mean, I definitely will use this, and I will try and film if I can make a shorter video, if I can ever get it down, with the camera flipped around. But I want to definitely try this and then share the look with you guys, or, you know, go ahead and film just maybe one eye off camera, and then come back and do the second, and then put you on pause, finish my makeup, and then come back. Actually, by the way, I did that with this eye look right here, because it's a different palette that I wanted to. Remember the Juno and Co? I made like a special video for that. So this is the fifth item. Jen, thank you so much. I can't even, like, listen, I said that I was going to try and help you get to 100, and even or more, 200. Like, why stop at 100? Go for 200. I'm a small channel myself. However, I have a great community. We all get along here very well, and, you know, it would be great if I'm already part of her family, and I believe she, and she has her husband Boyd. These guys are, listen guys, the channel is very cute. It's funny. I mean, it's got everything in it. She's got everything in it, and yeah, I enjoy watching it. I really do. I must say, I enjoy watching her, and I also enjoy the fact that when I'm done, I'm very calm. I'm very relaxed. She just does that to me. And it's very hard to do that with me, with my ADD and the way I'm always bouncing around. It's very hard for me to just sit. But when I watch her, I'm very relaxed afterwards, and yeah, I just love it. So I'm going to link her channel down below. Please go over there and subscribe. Give her a shout. Tell her I sent you. And let's try and get her channel, you know, going. And yeah, I thank you so much. I'm so grateful. And I can't thank you enough, Jennifer. Thank you so much. And Boyd, you too. You know, God bless you both, because I know he has a part to do with the giveaway itself, picking the, you know, the winners and stuff. So to both of you guys, especially Jen, thank you so much. I hope you don't mind I call you Jen. But her name is Jennifer MUA. Jennifer Larson MUA. Go ahead and check her out. I will leave her channel link down below. And it will be a personal favorite to me if you did that. But anyway, guys, for those of you who are new, thank you for subscribing. For those of you who are not subscribed, please consider doing so. And for my OGs, my ride or dies, thank you for returning yet again to watch me in another video. I'm going to go ahead and film a bunch of videos right now. I have so much coming. Please stay tuned for all of that. The holidays are coming, and it's time to make room, and it's time to give back, and I have a lot of new things coming with the channel changing and the background and the, you know, all the things that are happening on the channel, and to the channel itself. Yeah, I'm super excited. So stick around. You don't want to miss anything that's happening. Also, I'm starting that off-the-cuff giveaway where I'll just open a box and be like, you know what, let's do a giveaway. You'll never know when. It will not be announced. So in order to get in on those, you must watch the videos. And that's really the only thing. Other than that, it's free. So again, guys, till I see you in the next one, please remember, if you are blue or you are feeling not right or down or just off kilter, please reach out and talk to someone. You know, anybody, somebody you're close with, or me, I don't care. Hit me up on Instagram. I guess you can call me, but please hit me up on Instagram. I'm always willing to talk to somebody. I've been through a lot in my life. You know, I keep saying I'm going to tell you my story, and I am. Pretty soon, actually, I'm going to do it on a live. I think I made that decision. I'm not going to record it and leave it up. Who's ever at the live can watch. I mean, I will leave it up, and if they want to come back and watch it, then they can. But yeah, that way I can answer any questions you have during the telling of my story. Yeah, so there's that. So hit me up, and please. And if you are waiting for the right time to tell that perfect someone something, it just doesn't work like that. Please don't waste any time and tell them what you want them to know, because you may lose the opportunity. I know I did, and I live with it every day. And by all means, everything going on in this world today, please, oh please, stay safe. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. See ya. Bye.